This video tutorial I will explain parallel sort method of arrays class which accept float array, from index and to index. The sorting algorithm is a parallel sort merge that breaks the array into subarrays, and that subarrays are themselves sorted and then merged. So compared to normal sort, parallel sort is faster. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the float array. Then I am calling a parallel sort method of arrays class and passing a float array and from indexes 0, which is this position, and to indexes 4, which is this position. From index is inclusive and to index is exclusive. So this range of float values will be arranged in ascending order. Here you can see the output, and this range of float values are arranged in ascending order. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.